Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. Today we have this exponential challenge before us here. The question is how to solve 3 to the power of x equal to 5 to the power of 7 minus 5 to the power of 4. What then is the value of x? So if you're new here, this is my progress. Let's take our solutions. We have your solution. Okay, so here, the first we're going to do here, we have 5 to the power of 4 from here, and we also have 5 to the power of 4 here. So let's factor out 5 to the power of 4. So this is going to give us 3 to the power of x equal to 5 to the power of 4, then bracket. If we use 5 to the power of 4 to divide this, we have here 5 to the power of 3, then minus, here we're going to have 1. Okay, we know that 5 to the power of 3 is just 5 times 5, 25 times another 5, that is 125. So this will give us 3 to the power of x equal to 5 to the power of 4, then bracket 1, 2, 5 minus 1. We can easily subtract 1 from this, right? So this will now give us 3 to the power of x equal to 5 to the power of 4, bracket 1, 2, 4. Okay, then if we look carefully, we can find the value of this without the use of calculator. And 5 to the power of 4 is 5 times 5, 25, times another 5, 125, times another 5, that is 625. So this will now give us 3 to the power of x is equal to 625 times 1, 2, 4. Easy. Okay, we can use the normal multiplication method to get the answer to this. So if we do that, we're going to have 3 to the power of x is equal to around 77500. This is easy. All right, we're looking for x here. So what do we do to get the value of x? We just have to either take log to base 10 of both sides, or we take the ln to base e from both sides. Okay, so let's use the ln. So we're going to have this ln of 3 to the power of x. This is equal to ln bracket 77500 close bracket. Okay, so remember the law of indices. Law of logarithm. We say that if you have log our k to the power of p, then move this p as an exponent back here. So this will now give us p times log our k. Yeah, right? So if we apply this law here, then we can rewrite this expression we have here now. So by moving this exponent x back here. All right, so this will now implies that our x ln of 3 is equal to the ln of bracket between 77500. I believe there's no confusion here, right? Good. We're looking for s. So for us to make s the subject of the formula, we divide by ln of 3. We equally divide this out by ln of 3. Easy. Okay, so what does this implies x is equal to our ln of bracket between 77500 close bracket all over ln of 3. Again, this is our final answer. But if the answer is needed in numerical form, all we just need to do is to plug this into our calculator, and we're going to get a numerical answer or value. And also this will give us a numerical value. If we divide, I've done that already. So if we divide, and it's going to give us our x will now be equal to 10.25 approximately. Okay, so this is the numerical value of x that will satisfy this original equation. Okay, so if you learned something from this video, however simple it is, then give the video a thumbs up. If you have a better way of solving this math problem, drop it in the comment section. We are there to reply to all your comments. Remember, this is Math Pros. If you've not subscribed, do it to subscribe. Thanks for being there. Bye.